how much can I make? Tell me. Tell me. All right. Now, once you start doing the business, you come to the first level, which is sales master, okay? The sales master in Atomy gets $2,000 per month, okay? Company puts like a baseline, okay? So it could be more, it could be less, okay? So they just put it on the minimum baseline. Then the diamond master earns 4,000, okay? Some of them 4 to 6, let me say 4 to 6,000. Then Sharon Rose master gets $10,000. Star master gets $20,000. Royal master gets $40,000. Crown master gets $45,000 to $50,000. And the seventh and final stage at the top, which is the Imperial master, he makes away with 90, let me say 70,000, because the least earner on that level, which I've seen, I've heard, I've spoken to her, earns $70,000 per month. Some of them earn to the tune of $90,000, $100,000 per month. Shocking, unbelievable, but true. All right? So, now, I was talking in dollars. Let's break it down to pounds, because we're in UK. Some of you are like, what's all these dollars? How much is it in pounds? Tell me, you know, I want to know the amount in pounds, isn't it? So service sales will get $500 to $600. Sales master will get £1,000. We're breaking it down to pounds. 1,000 to 1,300 pounds. Diamond will get 2,000 to 4,000 pounds. Sharon Rose will get 5,000 to 6,000 pounds. Okay. The Star Master will get 12,000 to 18,000 pounds. The Royal gets 30,000 pounds. Crown gets 50,000 pounds. Imperial gets 90,000 pounds. Okay? Is that not amazing? Now, apart from this monthly benefits, this monthly income, my cameraman is sleeping, my video man is sleeping. Okay? Apart from this, okay, you also get what we call incentives. Go on. So we get incentives, okay? For example, when I joined the company 4 years ago, I had 8 months doing the business. Guys, if you see a stain on my shirt, sorry, I was thinking for him and I spilled it on my top. Now, sales master, when I joined the company, 8 months doing the business, I became the first UK sales master in my team. So, I got the 3 of the big sets. I got the Hemo, no, we didn't have Hemo Him that time. So they replaced the Hemo Him with Absolute. So I got Absolute, Evening Care set, and the Fame set. 3 big beauty sets, okay? Obviously, you get your sales master money in it. And then the Diamond Master, you get all the 3 beauty sets, and then you get the £600, okay, which is also equivalent of a laptop. And then Sharon Rose Master, you get $2,000, okay, dollars, and 2 travel tickets. When you get there, which is what I'm aiming for now, and by God's grace I'll get there, you get 2 travel tickets. So every year you are able to travel. 2 travel tickets, each of them $600 per ticket, which comes about $1,200, isn't it? Dollars or pounds. Sorry, I'm going to do the pound equivalent. Then Star Master gets $10,000 and 4 travel tickets. It starts getting really interesting because I hear each of those travel tickets is $3,000 per ticket, which comes to about 3 times 4 is that 12,000. Okay, it really starts hitting home, like you literally like, oh my gosh, this is real. Okay, next one. And then the Royal Master gets $30,000, a luxury car, 4 travel tickets, and what I call the mystery card. It's a sponsorship card that pays for your PA, your sponsorship activities, if you need to travel to give a talk. Because when you're at that level, countries will be calling you. They'll be like, please, can you come and talk to our new members? Can you come and talk to people who are just starting the business? Can you come and tell them, share your story, your journey? You know, all them travel is on that card, okay? Sponsored by the company. Then you've got Crown Master gets $300,000, the luxury car, 4 travel tickets, and more money on the card, okay? I hear it flushes out. If you don't spend it per month, it flushes out and it's uploaded again for you in the next month. So you are better off spending it, travel, okay? So now, the last and final stage is the Imperial Master. So I'm going to go through the equivalent in pounds. Video manual. Okay, so looking at it, the mastership promotion and incentives for the sales master, the absolute set, the atomy evening care set, and the field set. Next one. We're looking at the incentives. These are the additions to the monthly income you saw earlier on. The company gives incentives, at every stage to encourage you to say, oh, well done, get 600 cash, 600 pounds cash for laptop as a diamond master, and have all the beauty sets, okay? Next one, diamond master, shower rose master, you get 1,500 pounds in cash, okay? And then you get 600 pounds cash for each travel ticket, like I said. So the 2 travel tickets, 1,200 pounds. Next one, from shower rose, you move to star master. You get 7,000 pounds in cash as a star master. This is not your monthly pay, it's just incentives the company adds on to what you're earning monthly, okay? Just to say thank you. Then you get the 600 pounds cash for each of the travel tickets as well. Then you move to the next one, which is the Royal Master. Royal Master gets 33,000 cash from the company, okay? 3,000 cash for each of the travel tickets, okay? So 12,000 pounds worth of travel tickets, okay? Now 2,000 cash for per month for car rental and your sponsorship activities and all that, okay? Then from Royal we move to Crown. Crown Master, which is the 6th stage you get to when you're doing this business. You get 250,000 cash from the company as a thank you. You get the 3,000 cash for each travel tickets, 4 of them, that's 12,000 pounds. Then you get 3,000 in cash per month for all your sponsorship activities on that card, okay? From Crown Master, you now move to the final stage. When you are here, this is living the life, okay? You get a whopping 720,000 pounds cash from the company. This is equivalent to $1 million US, by the way. Company rolls it in on the day they're celebrating your Imperial Master, and then they roll it in a forklift and bring it and give it to you on the stage, okay? 720,000 pounds in cash, and then you get your 3,000 pounds cash for each travel tickets, 4 of them, and then you get 10,000 pounds now on your bonus mystery card, okay? For all your sponsorship activities, you get an office in any place of your choice, paid PA, you get personal assistant, driver. It's living the life, literally, So these are the levels you can get to when you're doing this business. Are they attainable? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible, okay? I have been doing it now. I'm a living witness it's possible because I'm a diamond master. I'm still young, okay? I'm getting there, I'm a diamond master, okay? And I can see the prospects already in the business that all I need to do is just carry on sharing the products with people, and surely I will definitely get there. So it is attainable, it is doable, and it is true, okay? All right, if it were not true, people like us would have been complaining, but yeah. So this is a system that works. It's a system that has been put in place to build residual income. Residual income is income that continues to come even when you're not working. Right now, we're all going to work. When you stop work, they stop paying you, But residual income continues to pay you, okay? That's why we call it a system income. So you're sleeping, you're making money. You're dancing, you're making money. You're partying, you're making money. Even you die, you're still making money, okay? Because that money will still be passed on to your children and your grandchildren. So in this day and age, if we are not thinking about multiple streams of income or residual income, then I really don't know what we're doing, okay? Because even 2 incomes now in the family is a bit of a strain, all right? So current UK members, okay? We have over 17,000 members in UK doing Atomy business, okay? That's great. 4 years, not too bad, okay? But we have a total UK population of 68 million, all right? What does that tell you? 99.98% don't know Atomy yet. So it means we have a job to do. It means that we need to go out there and bring this 99.98% so that I can be earning $100,000 every month. You know, we need to do some work. So what I'm simply saying is that the market is there. The market in UK is still huge because you are a pioneer member. If you're a part of it, Atomy right now, you're already a pioneer member. If you want to meet Atomy, connect with Atomy, join Atomy, then you will also become a pioneer member. Okay? So can you imagine by the time you're a pioneer member, we get to that 99.98% who don't know Atomy? Man, come on. Some of us have been working. Like I said, I've worked over 32 years in this country. I don't earn what a Star Master earns in Atomy. Over 32 years. I don't earn what a Star Master earns in Atomy. And people become Star Masters 7 years, 5 years doing this business, 6 years doing this business. We even have a Star Master 3 years. You know, it depends on your ability to work, to do it, you know. So it's doable, you know, and nothing can be compared to this, okay? No salary will do this for you, trust me, okay? Trust me, coming from somebody who has worked, okay? So let's go, next one. If it's not now, when are you going to do Atomy? When are you going to build residual income? When are you going to start thinking about multiple streams of income? If it's not this business, what other business would you do? Stocks and shares? Do you have 3,000, 5,000 pounds to go invest in stocks and shares? Oh, if you do, then fine. Remember, you can put 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 in stocks and shares and you don't get your money back. Your money can just go in one day, crash. So those are high risk business. What about other businesses? They tell you, oh, come invest 250, come invest 350. You know, they've done that to me before. I invested 250 pounds to get nothing. That was my money gone, you know? Well, it's all part of experiences in life. You know, so really, if it's not this, what would you be doing? Right? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, I know a lot of you have seen this. You know this quote at the back of your finger. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you... Are you sleeping? You will work until you die. I'm sure nobody wants that. That's why I didn't get any response. Because that guy was in, hey, you know, we don't want that, you know. Nobody wants to work until they die, okay? So, just be wise, basically. And this is where I end this slide for today. Now we'll have time to go around, check out the products, you know, ask questions. We have loads of snacks there. Please feel free. Have snacks on us. There's loads of food at the back. Please feel free. Chill out. This next session, we're just chilling out and just breathe and enjoy the evening. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you.